In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text bold in shortcut comments. If you want to make part of a comment stand out so it's easier to notice, using bold formatting is a simple and effective option. This is especially helpful when you want to emphasize an important update, highlight a key decision, or draw attention to a specific detail in a discussion. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can follow along Sula and make sure the formatting appears correctly before saving. Start by opening Shortcut. Once you're in the platform, open the story where you want to leave your comment. After the story loads, scroll down until you reach the comments section. This is where existing discussion appears and where you can add a new comment of your own. Next, click inside the comment editor to place your cursor there. Then type your comment as you normally would. At this stage, just focus on getting your message written. You don't need to format everything right away if you don't want to. Once the text is in place, select the specific word, phrase, or sentence that you want to emphasize. Be careful to highlight only the part you want in bold, since the formatting will apply directly to the selected text. With that text selected, click the bold button in the toolbar. It's usually displayed as a capital letter B. As soon as you click it, the selected text should update to show the bold formatting. Take a moment to review how it looks in the editor. This quick check helps you confirm that the correct text was highlighted and that the emphasis appears the way you intended. If needed, continue writing the rest of your comment after the bold section. This is useful if you decided to format one part first and then finish the message afterward. Once everything looks good, complete your comment and give it one final review for clarity and formatting. When you're ready, click Save Comment. After saving, verify that the bold text appears correctly in the posted comment. This final check is important because it confirms that the formatting was applied successfully and is visible the way you expected in the comment thread. And that's all it takes to make text bold in shortcut comments. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and natural, and it can make your comments much easier for others to scan and understand.